Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Authenticator app on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click security, and now here as you see you'll find it. Just click on it and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off the Authenticator app on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.